Okay, so I've taken out the first retaining bolt, this, and the brake pads. Okay, so this is the old brake pad. You can see it's juried. These are the two old ones. This is the new ones. See, what's there? 689 FF. So that's the same. I think this was 2018. It's 2025. Okay, now this is the punch tool I'm using. It's got all the sizes, and you can see longer, shorter. So try to set up the camera properly. Let me remove this. Okay, so what you do is just once is at that stage, you just keep pushing it. That's it. These are a bit rusty. You can reuse them, not a problem. And now try and take the pads out a bit. So I'm using this just to pry it. Against the disc. I'm not gonna use the rotors, so it's alright if you use the rotors, just be careful. Okay, one set is out, and yeah, just push it like this. To make it easy, you can open the cap on a brake fluid reservoir. This is a bit stuck in here. Okay, this is out. Okay, so you see it started wearing to the first hole where you put in your sensor. Don't know how good you can see. See there? Got two holes. All of them are like this. this one wasn't, and this one wasn't. I think the front ones that was sitting here and here. Okay, so now I'm gonna try and loosen the caliper bolt and hang it. I'm gonna use a hook like that. Hang it from here up. I'm gonna try and clean a little bit the contact parts and see how far we go. Okay, so this is the kit. They're the same as the kit from the E55 AMG, and this is the new pins. You can see they are the same. They're the same. So you got 4 pieces, 2 for each side. I'm gonna keep these ones just in case. I'll turn the wheel just to see. Okay, let me get the 18. Okay, just an update. So when I went to order from Mercedes the bolts for the caliper, they gave me 18 size for the socket. Well, mine, just this one, they 21. So obviously I'm gonna have to reuse them with some thread lock, but just be careful if you have 8-piston brake rotors. I think your bolts will be 21, not 18, like even on this system. So that was a waste of 20 pounds. At least now we know. Okay, so don't know how good can you see. Can't film it. Trying to. Okay. So this has been loosened up. Sorry about this, I just ain't got the space here. Can undo So I don't know if you can see, these are the bolts. Let me check. These are the bolts. 21. I'm gonna take the top one. This caliper is very heavy. Even though it's made of some alloy, it's still heavy. This is the other bolt. Okay, caliper is out. Let me see. How can I hook it? Okay, that should be fine. So that's where it is, without putting stress on a brake pipe. I'll have to change them maybe next year. These are original Mercedes. Okay, now the brake disc, I think it's warped. It's a bit. Okay, let me find what size is this, and then I'll take it out. Okay, so the socket is a T30. That goes here. Mine is 3/8, so it goes on this. Okay, now I'm just gonna make sure I don't strip it. Okay, let's see. Shouldn't be too tight in there. There you go. Okay, that's the bolt. I think I've got spare ones. Just gonna put it here. Let's see how easy this comes out. Oh, very easy. Look how rusty this is. I have to take them out. At least this is clean. I'm gonna have to spray some. Where is it? Okay, this one. Let it sit for like 5-10 minutes. Then I'm gonna take them out and cut it with the thin snips and put the new one. And I hope that's gonna be okay. I'll come back to you guys. Okay, so I run into a bit of a trouble. All these bolts, they stripped one here and one here. So I had to use a blade from a hacksaw, cut a slot, because I don't have the extraction tools with me. I wasn't expecting this. And then I was hammering with this counterclockwise until you see it came out. So hopefully once I get this out, I'm gonna have to order new bolts. Don't know what size are this, maybe M6. But once I take this out, I'll let you guys know. Okay, so this is the torque for the bolts for the 8 piston caliper, 180 Newton meters. I put the disc brake disc, some ceramic paste here on the and on the face of the hub. I just need to put this bolt that holds the ABS sensor here. It just goes like that. And once I have that done, I'm going to set up the camera and put the caliper and the brake pads. And that's one side done. I have some issues with these bolts that hold the dust plate, so I had to cut a little bit more because this dust plate is not like the one on the rear. You have to take the hub out to actually put the plate back on. So I didn't want to do that because I don't have the run out tool to set up the wheel bearing, so maybe next time or another time. I don't know when that's gonna happen, but yeah, I had to cut them and then use this and hit it with the hammer. So 4 bolts. Probably I'm gonna have the same problem on the other side. So yeah, I wasn't expecting this. So let me set up the camera and I'll come back to you. Okay, so now I'm going to put the brake caliper back. Where are the bolts? These are the bolts. I'm going to put some blue Loctite. Okay. And the torque is 180 Newton meters. Okay, let's take the caliper. Okay. Put some ceramic paste here as well, where the brake pads make contact with the caliper. This is what I use. Okay. Okay, let me bring the torque wrench and then I'll come back. So it looks. Okay, this is set up 21 mil, 180 Newton meters. Let's see. Hard to do it. There you go. That's the top one. And the bottom one. There you go. That's the front caliper done. Brakes. Okay, I'll come back to you when I put the pads. Okay. So I'm gonna put some ceramic paste on the brake pad where it contacts the piston in here. Where it slides. Okay, now there you go. And probably wonder where the brake pad sensor, I think is on the other side, on the driver's side, which is the right side. Okay. And there's the other two, and that's it this side. Took me some time, but there's nothing I can do. You can push the pistons with your hand. So I'll come back when I have the wheel on. Okay, that's how it looks like. There's two more going here. There's the paste. Okay, now we're going to put the pins and the brake pad holder and the rattle. I'll just put some ceramic paste. There's some slots in on brake pad, so make sure you put this one in there. Okay, done from one side. You have to force it here. Let's push it. Okay, so now we hammer it all the way in. Make sure. Okay, now this has to be in the middle. This slides. Yeah. This slides with the brake rotors. Sorry, with the pistons and the brake pad. That's where you get the squeaking sometimes. Okay, so this side is done. I don't think I'm gonna film the other side because it's the same, but you guys get the idea. So that's how it looks. So hopefully I won't have the brake judder. Because yeah, I think the disc was warped. That's how it is. Everything back here is put back together. And I'll make a video when I'll take it for test drive. See how it feels. Thanks for watching, guys.